Hi YouTube family, in this video I will show you what we did to fix the heating problem within our RV. It was 49 degrees outside and relatively cold in the RV. So since we had made a stop at the rest area, we decided it was a good time to fix the problem before we continued with the journey. The states ahead of us were much colder than where we were currently, and so it was just on time for us to fix this before we ran into further issues. The thermostat installed in this RV seems to be a very standard one, and so it should apply to most RVs. Kindly note that this is a temporary fix and not recommended as a permanent fix. Also, this RV was a rental trailer that we had direct permission from the owner to do this. She said she would replace the thermostat once we got back. I noticed that every time I would turn on the thermostat and push it all the way to the right, I'll hear a click, but I will not hear the fan kicking or the blower blow. Or the blower blowing. And so what we did was we basically opened the thermostat housing and connected the top left and bottom left wires together. We just jumped them. This turned the heater and the blower on. However, because it runs continuously, you need to remember that to turn it off momentarily to just kind of cool it down. So we had to disconnect it later on to allow the heater to cool off. So using my jumper wire, I connected one end of the jumper wire to one of the wires on the thermostat, in this case this bottom left one, and then I attached the remaining wire on the other end, and that instantly turned on the blower and the heater, as you can see. Now we are ready to get back on the road and enjoy our journey. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.